Trellising, an effective way to get your plants off the ground, maximize space, and production of the plants that you're growing. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com. A trellis can be any device in which you purchase or build or find that can assist your plants growing vertically. This will increase the productivity, decrease the rot, and make it easier for you to harvest. Pole beans, cucumbers, peas, tomatoes, some winter squash are all crops that do benefit greatly from having support and allowing them to grow vertically. Tomatoes are a vine crop in the indeterminate variety, and if left unsupported, they will grow on the ground. And 50% of your crop will be lost due to ground rot, insects, and just missing the fruit. Cucumbers and pole beans, it's much easier to harvest these crops when they're vertically. Cucumbers can sprawl on the ground. Pole beans do not do well if you do not support them. A trellis can be anything from some sticks in the ground to a manufactured purchased item to the bottom of a baby crib and anything in between to allow the plants to grasp onto the item in order to grow vertically. Some people even take old mattresses and burn them off and use the springs as a trellis. That's up to your discretion. But it maximizes the space because you can grow vertically. And for pole beans, you can get 2 to 3 times more off one plant of a pole bean than you can a bush bean plant. So get your plants up off the ground, maximize your space, and grow more. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.